to the beginning. Well, not the beginning, the car park at least. Not too sure how this is going to go, but I will keep you guys all updated.
Getting ready to climb the Tongariro Alpine crossing. It's a 20-kilometre trek up there to the mountain. It's 8:30, should be out about 6-7. Praise God, it's a beautiful day today here in Ruapehu. This is my 5th time. It's all their first, some of their first. Blessed's only been twice.
It's my 3rd.
And it's Rindy's 3rd. The last time she nearly conked out on the mountain.
I'm putting sunscreen on, everyone. We're going in there. We've done 1 kilometre. We have to walk up there to continue, and this is the first uphill part of the trek. As you can see, I'm glowing, but I'm actually sweating, so like I'm dying. I think we walked 3 k's, 2.5, don't know. Mount Doom, everyone. Right there. Having our first break. Smeedy, Blessed, waiting for Dad. And Lena's gone, so now it's just us 4. And yeah. That's all I got for you. Dad. Just a little update. We've been walking for an hour and we're nearly at the Devil's Staircase. It's a bit rocky. Oh, B. Stop! Are you prepared? Is the weather okay? Do you have the right equipment and clothing? Are you fit enough? Of course I'm fit enough. So I'm just waiting for my dad to give me the toilet paper so I can use the toilet. But basically, this is the Devil's Staircase. I want to go to the toilet before we do that, otherwise I might pee my pants while I'm walking up. So far so good. I feel fine, like I'm not sore. I'm tired when I go up, but I'm not like right now. Started down here and we have to walk up there. But yeah. Devil's Staircase is done. So I think we just finished the Devil's Staircase. We're gonna go have a break. How many K's do we have left? 13 K's. 13 K's left. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I ran up there.
Smitty, how are you feeling? Here is a crater and Mount there. So we have to walk all the way up there. Great, love that. Lovely, awesome. Okay, so in my opinion, we're about to do the hardest part, which is going all the way to the top of that. So wish me luck. So we finished the hardest part. It's cold. So I'm wearing this beanie. Now I have to go up there. Here we have a delicacy. We got egg sandwiches by the crater. So far, I got sand in my shoes and my toes are sore. I think walking down that thing is the hardest thing you can do. And to think we came from the very top of that. So basically, I think I've said that each part was the hardest. That's because this whole thing is hard. At the moment, I'm not too bad. I take heaps of breaks because I just want to take it all in, you know. I think freaking hope so. We walked to the blue lake. Everything behind me. So I'm pretty certain the main part of our climb is all done. Now we have to walk back. I think it's like 8 point something kilometers back. I can't wait to eat after this. We're leaving now. Downhill from here. Walking down. There are these smelly geysers that smells like eggs. Literally smells like audioooo. And they're over. You see it? Yeah, there. Oh, we're walking down. If you can see that white line there, that's the car park. Just having a break. Nearly there, guys. I think we have like 5k's left. I'm done. I am done. I'm so happy right now, I could cry. My feet are sore, my thighs are sore, my arms are sore, my shoulders are sore. A couple of times my stomach was sore. I'm so tired. But it was worth it, I think. Now we're going to Burger King. Just eating Burger King now. Because I deserve it. I'm just eating everything I just lost, so. I'm tired, I'm sore. I think I'm sick because it was real cold up there. Because I'm like shivering and I keep sneezing. And my nose is runny.